So now we're going to use some of the rules for logarithms to solve this logarithmic equation. One of the rules says that if you have a constant here that's multiplying, then you can move that up here to be the exponent. So it's going to be log base 2, and then the 2x minus 3 is now squared. And then the next thing to do is combine the two logarithms. Since they both have a base of 2, they can be combined to one logarithm that says base 2. Because this is subtraction, then what I do is divide the arguments. So it's going to be inside of the logarithmic function, there's now a fraction with 2x minus 3 squared on the top and x minus 4 for the denominator. And the next thing to do is say the base is 2, raise it to an exponent of 3, and that's an 8. And now we're done with the logarithm. The rest of the problem is going to be algebra. So next, multiply both sides by x minus 4. So the right hand side is going to have 8x minus 32. The left hand side, I need to square this binomial. So square the first entry to get 4x squared. Square the negative 3 for a positive 9. And then for the middle term, multiply these two together and then double it. So negative 6x gets doubled, negative 12x. And now we're going to need to use the quadratic formula, so move everything to the left-hand side. There's 4x squared. I need to subtract 8 from both sides. So if I subtract 8, this will be negative 20x. I need to add 32, which is going to make 9 and 32 is a 41. And then do the quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times the a times the c. And then it's divided by 2 times a. And now use the calculator. And we've got a positive 20 and plus the square root of 400 minus, that's a 16 times 41. And then close the numerator, and it's divided by 8. It seems that it's a complex number. And in this class we don't do complex numbers and logs, although it is possible. And so we've got no real numbers as solutions. So inside this radical it was a 400 minus a 16 times 41. That's what it is, the square root of a negative 256. So that's what's causing it to be a complex number.